Welcome to Bowling University On-Demand Online Training Tutorial for Team Leaders. In the previous videos, we looked at the differences between the dashboards and then at the team and people menus. In this video, we're going to look at the reports menu. Again, the dashboard you'll see is only available for team leaders. Just a quick reminder, all users begin as a student with a student dashboard. To gain access to these features, please contact us here at Bowling University so we can upgrade your user profile. From the Team Leader dashboard, you'll notice the Reports menu at the top. Plus, there's some team reports over to the right of the activity feed. Let's click on the Reports menu at the top. This takes you to the Reports dashboard where you can see the activity feed for the last 30 days. Over on the right, you'll see a Quick Reports, and this is going to be a great resource for some pre-built reports. The two you will most likely find helpful will be Courses and People. Let's begin with the Courses Quick Report. At a glance, you'll see a list of courses. Hover over a course title and you'll see it's a clickable link. If we click on the link, we're now looking at the results of all of our team members in that particular course. At this point, you can see the completion percentage of each person, the date assigned, when it was due, based on the 2-week system standard. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Click on any of the employee names in your list, and you can see the team member's progress through a particular course. Information for each module is available to you. As you scroll down the list within a course, you'll see an assessment, which is a clickable link. Once you click on the link, you dive a bit deeper into the record for that employee in this course and are now looking at their assessment questions, answers, score, and the number of attempts it took to pass the assessment. Okay, we dug deep into the course's quick reports, so now let's shift gears and take a look at the People Quick Report. So from whatever page you are on within the Reports section, just click on the People Quick Reports. Now you have a list of team members with usernames, total courses, and one of the big things most people are looking for, which is the completion status. Just like before, if you hover over any person's name, you'll see it as a clickable link. Let's click on a team member, and now you can have a look at which courses they have started, completed, the percentage of completion, and an assigned plus a due date. This is very similar to what you saw earlier, but remember, we are just looking at one person on your team. Now if you click on the course name, you'll see the same level of detail we saw before within that course for the selected team member. As always, just click on an assessment to view the details on this team member's attempts. At any point, you can use the back browser button or just click on the People Quick Reports to get back to your employee list. As you explore the system, you'll see there are several other features available to the team leader profile to help you monitor your team's progress. Thank you for joining us, and if you have any questions, please give us a call at Bowling University, 800-343-1329, or shoot us a quick email at education@bpaa.com.